So I want to show you real quick. I've got my frankincense bottle right here. I want to show you real quick how to use the Fitment roller on your oil. So any oil that you want, you take the top off, okay, alrighty, and then all you do is you stick this thing back on. Now, it goes in, but you have to press down until you hear the click. All right, you heard the click. All right, so now you have an automatic roller. You can just roll away. It smells so good. I like to dilute my frankincense. I like to take this 5 milliliter roller and I put 10 drops of frankincense in it as I'm filling it back up, and then the rest is a carrier oil. Usually fractionated coconut oil. Actually, I pretty much put vitamin E oil or a jojoba oil in my frankincense because I'm typically putting it on my face. So that's how you do that. These come with a lid. You just screw it on. I put this on my nightstand at night and I use it every single night. Try to use it in the morning too. Sometimes I forget.